Hey guys, just want to take a quick second to show you that my iPhone 8 Plus 64 gig through AT&T is in excellent working condition, that everything on it works like it's supposed to. So I'll show you. We'll go into the settings. It's been completely reset. Just skipped through all the setup stuff so I could go in here and show you 64 gig model. There's the IMEI, which you'll find in the post as well. If you want to check up on that, it's clear, good to go, ready for activation. Essentially, you just stick your AT&T SIM card in here or go into the AT&T store and they'll fire it up on your account, however you want to do it. The accessories are brand new, haven't been used, haven't even been opened. The phone's only about 2 months old. I've got my SIM card in here.
Oh, that's trying to show you where to put it.
Welcome to AT&T.
There you go. Now you know it works. You can hear it through this speaker as well.
Recorded for quality. How can I help you today?
Account information.
Are you calling for billing, for tech support, or to make a payment? Or if some...
Anyway, now you know with the test call, it works. Everything on it works good. From here to the camera. See, the camera works good. Nope, it's in like new condition. So anyway, purpose of these videos is just so that you know when I list something up for sale and you spend your money on it, take it home, it's going to work like it's supposed to. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. You guys have a great day. Thanks.